Hello everyone, this is your old friend, Titanium. Locks exist everywhere in our daily lives. And Trident was created for those moving through a fast-paced world. So you no longer have to worry about what's behind you. We designed Trident's triple mechanical locking system to be a solid, reliable companion in your everyday life, helping you reclaim 100% control and peace of mind in a chaotic world. Go wherever you need to go. With Trident, that's all you need. Level 1 locking. Security that works quietly in the background. In busy city streets, zip up and lock instantly. Whether it's a sling bag, laptop bag, or compact carry, Trident is lightweight, portable, and always by your side. Airports, train stations, crowded spaces. One simple push activates level 2 locking, turning your backpack into a mobile fortress. Even in crowded and vibrating environments, it stays firmly secured. Hey, gotcha now, buddy. Double protection, fast and reassuring. Engage level 2 locking. And stay focused on the moment, fully immersed in the journey. Now it's time for a small challenge. For the first users who successfully find the level 3 locking, we have prepared a special mystery gift. When Trident is in the lock state, press the ruby button and pull out the locking pin as you release it. Reinsert the pin into the core to achieve level 1 locking. Gently slide the switch to activate level 2 locking. At this stage, the ruby button alone cannot unlock it. Slide the switch back, press the ruby button, and unlock. Did you notice? The locking pin works in both directions, saving you unnecessary time and motion. Bag overstuffed? Zipper under pressure? No worries. Trident has you covered. Wait, Trident can even be worn as a necklace? It blends seamlessly into your outfit or adds a tactical edge to your gear. Can't open a macadamia nut? Let Trident help. It's more than just a lock. It's a compact multi-tool, a mini pry bar box cutter, flathead screwdriver, and hex tool. Small in size, big in capability. Join the Level 3 Unlock Challenge now and see who'll be the first to win the mystery reward.